What up, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking out the Super today, our Super73 S2 E-Bike, because we're hungry. And we'll talk about, basically, the favorite errand that I like to do on a Super 73 pavement e-bike. Let's get it. So as the description says, this is the one and only errand that I can think of taking a Super 73 out, at least around my neighborhood. I mean, if I lived by the beach, I would take this e-bike on the sand all the time, but I don't live by the beach. I'm like in San Gabriel Valley, La Puente area, and specifically there's not a lot of bike lanes on my hood, which sucks. I mean, I think it's getting better. They just built a skate park, bike park, La Puente Recreation Center. Anyhow, all said and done, I would never take this bike. I would never lock it up on like any kind of bike rack the way other vloggers can, you know, like Dylan, for example. Like he doesn't mind locking up his bike on anywhere he goes. That's very inspiring, but it's just not me. I don't trust. I'm a little more paranoid. I don't trust leaving this bike unattended, not even for a minute. There's so many stolen Super 73s or e-bikes in general. Just about every week, someone posts a stolen e-bike on the forums and what have you. So I definitely don't like leaving this bike unattended, locked up anywhere. It's just not me. It's a big investment, and I'm not looking to gamble on it not being taken. Anyhow, we're hungry. We're going to probably hit up McDonald's. Yeah, we're actually already here. Oh wow, and it's busy. This is my favorite e-bike. This is probably the only e-bike that I like taking on drive-thru errands. I mean, I would not be able to use any other e-bike that I have on a drive-thru because none of my other electric mountain bikes look like a moped or a motorcycle, right? So this bike kind of looks that way, so I could get by. Yeah, I mean, I hope I don't have issues today. There are days where I do have issues, like they don't detect me, cameras don't see me, so they take a little bit longer to help you. This is still kind of like a gray area. This thing looks like a motorbike, so sometimes they'll pass you off as a motorcyclist in drive-thrus. Let's get a meal so we can eat and go to work. I wish my city had way much more bike lanes so I can use my other e-bikes more in my hood, but the way I have it, I have to drive the places to use most of my e-bikes. And some folks have been asking how I transport my e-bikes. I have a Honda Element, which has really good cargo space for I can fit two of our e-bikes, and that's how I've been road tripping with my wife.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Can I get a Big Mac combo?
Medium or large?
Medium, please. Please. Just wanted to do the quick vlog of my favorite errand. Comment below what you guys like to do with your Super 73. I'd like to know. I guess it always depends on where you live, right? But my friend Jason takes his Super 73 and actually also locks it up, like going to Costco and like leaving it unattended again. You know, like that's something I can't. Some people can, but some people won't, like me. This is my only real errand that I can do with my Super 73, I believe. Obviously, in the sites, taking it on group rides and all that other leisure pavement riding, that obviously I recommend. One thing I wanted to note is, again, not all drive-thrus will allow your Super 73, or you know, they sometimes have to have a manager speak with you to get you helped. I think it was Burger King. I had an incident. They never detected my bike, and they had to have like a manager have me roll towards the pickup window to make the order. But besides that, yeah, I like going to drive-thrus. I have yet to take this in and out, and I have a lot of in and outs around my hood, but that's to follow. Maybe I should have used in and out today, actually. I don't know, I wasn't thinking about it. All right, thank you. Thank you. Oh, I didn't think about this. Huh? No, we're good. Thank you. I keep not thinking about how I'm going to transport the meal. So I originally planned to have a backpack today, but I forgot it. I don't have a backpack, and I do have a bottle cage holder, but this thing is gonna leak for sure. So I'm just gonna hold it. We're not far from home at all, and I love it. I could do errands like this. Alrighty, there you go. Prius owner. Like myself, I am a Prius owner. We like electric and hybrid vehicles. Alright, well, that's going to be the quick vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Comment below what you guys like to do with your Super 73 and how you guys fare with leaving it unattended. Is that something you do without any issues? So let me know your experience, because I'm just not the type that would. Thanks for sticking around. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super 73, your aerial rider, or if you're more off-roady, likes some mountain bike trails, I definitely recommend building your own. And I also have a URL link in the description below for a DIY electric mountain bike. That's a wrap, folks. Cheers. See you in the next ride. Peace.